Hello everyone. In our today's problem, we have to find maximum erasure value, which is a medium level problem in LeetCode. So you will be given an array of positive integer and want to erase a subarray containing unique elements. The score you get by erasing the subarray is equal to the sum of its element. Return the maximum score you get by erasing exactly one subarray. Right. So Uh, if I copy this here, all you have to find a unique subarray. So what is a subarray? Subarray is like a array from an array from. So it's a duplicate. It's a subarray is an array from our original array, and it's a part of an array actually, right? So like this is a subarray, or if we take this is a subarray, this is a subarray as well. The index number and the the position should be the same subarray. So there is a bit different between subarray and subsequence. The subarray should be like the same. There shouldn't be any gap or there shouldn't be any missing number from this array. Subsequence is like from an array, you will take some couple of numbers but the position will be the same. For example, you can take 5 from here, 2 from here, 1 from here, right? 5 to 1, or 5 from here, 5 from here, 1 from here, right? This is subsequence. But for the subarray, it should be a continuous number from, and it can be any part from the original array, right? This is the difference between subarray and subsequence. So you have to find a subarray which is unique, and all you have to do, um you have to do the sum of the subarray, right? That's the problem statement says. So here, if we have a look, this 5 to 1 is a subarray, right? How can we find it? So here, okay, this is our main array. So if we have a look, our first number is 5, 2, 1. So these three number we got. Again, if we go to the 2, it's duplicate. 2 we already have here, right? So if we add 5, 2, and 1, this is a unique subarray, and the sum of these three elements are 8, right? Again, if we take 2, then we have to remove this 2 and this one, right? Then 1, 2, 5. This can be a subarray as well. 1 plus 2 plus 5. And the sum will be 8 again. Okay. Then again, if you want this 2, then we have to remove this, and again 5, 2, 1. The sum will be 8 again. Then again, if we want to add this 2, we have to remove this 2 again. 1, 2, 5. 1 to 5 is 8. So ultimately, the answer maximum number is 8 here, right? For another test case, like here, if we want to take this one, so I'll say my subarray will be, I'll take this 4, then I'll take 2, then when I want to take 4, so this 4 and this 4 are same, right? So our subarray should be unique, contain unique number. So in that case, what I will do, I'll check the sum of these two. So 4 and 2 will be 6. Okay. Then for when I try to add this 4, what I'll do, I'll remove this 4 from here. So our new will be 2. Then I will add 4. Then again I will add 5. Then there is no 6 in my Subarray, so I'll write 6, and I'll do addition of these phone numbers, right? So here, uh, uh, sorry, uh, 6, 6 and 6, 12, 12 and 5, 19, right? Okay. Okay, so our maximum number will be 17 here, right? I hope you got this. Again, if I do one more test case, for example, our array is 3, 4, 3, 2, 9. Okay, then here our subarray will be 4, 3, 2, 9. This is the maximum. This will contain the maximum value, right? How can we solve this, sir? Initially, like I will take a unordered set and unordered set as the, and whenever I'll find the duplicate value in the set, I will remove number from my left, and each time I will keep track on my maximum sum, right? So I'll just take one unordered set, unordered set. I can say set. Okay, then I'll take left equal to 0, right equal to 0, equal to 0, and max sum or max equal to 0, right? And I will return the max. Okay, from here. Now I'll run a while loop here. While right is less than nums dot size. What I'll do this time, I'll do right plus plus. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll add my right number in the num set, right? So num set dot insert, for set is insert, right? Nums of right plus plus. Again I'll say num plus equal to sum plus equal to nums of right, and then each time I'll find max equal to max of my max or sum. Before inserting the right, each and every time I'll check while till I have the value of my right, I'll remove my elements from the left, right? If I explain it here, like if I take one more test case, like 3, 4, 3, 4, 2, 3, 9, 6, right? Like this. So initially I will add my, in the rotor set, I will add 3, then 4, then 2. When I'll find the 3 here, what I'll do, I'll be removing my 3 from my left side, right? Till till in my set there is no more 3 or there is no more kind value, right? Then I'll add 3, then 9, then 6. I hope you got it right. For example, like before 3 there is again 1, 2, right? So what I'll do, I'll keep adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, and when I'll come 3, I'll find one 3 is already in my set, right? So what I'll do, I'll keep removing the value from my left, and then it will start from 4, then I'll do 3, 9, 6. Okay, and each and every time I'm like tracking my max sum. That's it. While what I'll do, while num set dot content count nums of r, what I'll do, I'll remove num set dot erase nums of left plus plus, and each time what I'll do, I'll do sum minus equal to nums of Yeah, let's remove left plus plus again if it plus. Yeah. Now if I run this code, okay. If I submit my code, yeah, that's it. Thank you so much, guys.